All right, what are you doing to your balloon? Are you guys okay? You gotta sit up. Let's see, what are you doing to Elmo? You okay? I got you string on you. Hold on. Alright, hold on. Jeez. Alright. Alright, give him a kiss.